Hey y'all, it's dessert time. And so that leads into today's episode of Will It Griddle. Today we're doing some frozen toaster pastries. Some of those that come with their own little pack of icing. This side's on, that side's not. Don't worry, I'm not burning them. I hope. I'm gonna put just a little ghee, just a little, so that the pastries don't burn. I'm almost out of ghee. It's almost time to cook up some more. Okay, that's starting to smell ghee-ish. Put that there so you can see it. How's that? You can't see it, it's okay. So, little frozen pastries. I have this turned down medium-low as I do most of the time. Oh, you can't even see that, so how's that? Is that better? I put the icing over here just so the ambient heat will warm it up. Maybe I should do the bottom side first, huh? Or the top side and then flip over. Let's do that. Apparently this is apple from the smell of things. And it's getting late, so it's darkish. Although the camera is picking up the light well. It's darker in real life. Just like the camera adds a few 100 pounds, it also adds some light or something. But as always, Baja is here to keep me company and her tennis ball. Turn it up a little, not much. I think, yeah, that's soft. It's not going to burn or anything, so I can leave it there. Well, this is often the time the coyotes come out. Luckily, there's no coyotes tonight. I don't like Baja being around with coyotes out and about. A bit. Coyotes a bit. Coyotes are cool to look at, unless they're like you have pets, and then they're kind of nasty. Okay, that's getting kind of cookish. Yeah, not really. Flip them back over. I don't want to over ghee. But I don't want them to burn either. We'll see how it goes. Yeah. The wind's blowing on the other side of the house and absolutely nothing here. That's interesting. We live in strange times, in strange places. Well, now the wind's slight breeze has made it here. It's weird. And now it's stopped, mostly. When you live in the mountains with the valleys and dips and hills and the ocean is, that's not the ocean, that's a dog. The Pacific is just over that hill. And you can kind of see it if you squint and look real hard. right about there. So the, and there's islands, the Channel Islands off the coast, and these mountains right here. They go up right behind the house. So between the hills, the mountains, the valleys, you get some interesting air currents. Come back tomorrow and we'll cover more hot meteorological discussions. Geography and meteorology porn with your griddle porn. You're welcome. Anyway, we're starting to get a little. In fact, look how pretty the tops are. Oh yeah. That's nice and toasty. Probably had the griddle down turned too low. Hopefully I don't now get it turned too high up. I know. English good. Something like that. I are an English student. That feels nice and toasty though. It's not hot. It's nice and toasty texture, surface. So here we go. Watching paint dry. No! We're watching pastries. Oh, look how they're getting flaky. Oh, it's getting nice. Maybe this was the bottom. Maybe I was upside down. What do you think? It's looking good though. Yeah, I had the griddle too low, which sometimes I do. I don't want to burn anything or embarrass myself on national TV. I know I'm embarrassing myself at this very moment. That's okay. It's all to entertain you and make you laugh, even if it's at me. I know, you're laughing with me. Don't kid a kidder. Who do you think you're talking to? So the inside is still, except that one, just like sticking something in the microwave, the inner part's still frozenish. Ish. I'm gonna have to turn these over because look how brown. Hot. Nobody tells me that this thing gets hot. What a shock. It's a shock. Who knew? The griddle gets hot. By the way, we were at Sam's Club recently and picked up a box of these, a pack of these, 3. And oh, look at that. So now when I'm griddling at night, look at the light I can put on the subject. Or I can make it strobe. But yeah, these are pretty nice. I can hang it. It's got a thing to stand here. Can stand it up at different levels. How cool is that? Now I can griddle at night. Surround myself with LED lighting. Okay, that's not so great. But yeah, especially in the wintertime, it gets dark like 4 o'clock. And how am I going to do griddle porn when it's pitch black? So yeah, this is the frosting is nicely thawed. My lovely assistant wanted to wait until I get hers inside. She didn't want me to mess it up. Actually, it did get kind of warm starting to separate in this one. But that's okay. That makes it interesting. I say hers is done. Oh. Okay. That one may be mine. This one's mine too. And we'll give her this pretty one. And look at that. That's all there is to it. And now, let's take a bite. Oh, it's too hot. I'll let you know in the description if it worked or not. Because it's too darn hot, right, Baja? So, that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for laughing at me. And that's a wrap. Bye!